What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Gharfeh, and today we are going to be trying the Nashville Hot Chik'N Sandwich from 24 Carrot Cafe in Tempe. It's an all vegan restaurant. I can't wait to get in here and show you guys this food. Let's go. What's going on, guys? We got a gluten-free pumpkin snickerdoodle cookie right here. I could not resist. Check it out. They just delivered the hot Nashville chicken sandwich. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but look at this. On the ciabatta bread, that's like my favorite bread ever, is the ciabatta bread. How am I even supposed to take a bite out of this? You guys are gonna get a kick out of this when I try to take a bite. This is huge. Camera's gotta eat first though. Nashville Hot Chik'N Sandwich. Haven't had Popeyes in years, but I guarantee this one's better, and it's cruelty-free as well. Look at that. Boom. About to take a bite out of this Nashville Hot Chik'N Sandwich. Haven't had anything to eat today. I came prepared. I haven't had Popeyes in over 4 years, but I guarantee that this is gonna be a much better chicken sandwich than Popeyes, so. Let's take a bite. This ranch, really good. Guys, I really haven't said much just because this is literally delicious. So first impressions, I'm about halfway done with the sandwich right now. It's crispy, it's spicy, it tastes really good. And would I get this sandwich again? I definitely would. I'm a huge fan of chicken sandwiches. Before I was vegan, I used to love chicken sandwiches. And the fact that I can get a fully crispy vegan chicken sandwich that's spicy and vegan, it's a win-win. Got some carrots and hummus on the side. You can also get chips and salsa on the side or a small salad. This is the real definition of finger licking good, guys. Seriously, a little messy, but that's completely fine. That's how it's meant to be. A lot of ranch, and I love the vegan ranch that they got here. It's really good. Nice.
How is it? Do you like it?
Really good.
Isn't it delicious?
Oh yeah.
See, it's a damn sandwich. We can't even get any audio.
He keeps telling me to describe it. I'm like, I can't. Not a lot of things to say because I was so busy devouring this delicious chicken sandwich. It's got everything that you want out of a chicken sandwich. Spicy, crispy, cruelty-free. 24 carats, you did a great job with this Nashville Hot Chik'N Sandwich. I think the manager just told us that they did a test run on this sandwich, and she said that it did so well that they kept it coming back, and I'm so glad they kept it coming back because I'm gonna be back to eat this sandwich again soon. So at first I was curious, what kind of meat are they using for this chicken sandwich? Is it seitan, is it soy, or is it a tofu? And after eating it more and more and looking at the texture of it, I realized they're using the soy butler curls. And I'm gonna pop a little infographic of the soy butler curls right here so you guys can see what they are. I've used them before, they're really good. If you go back to my older videos, you'll see that I use the soy butler curls quite a bit. They're a great substitute for meat, and they taste really good. They're full of protein, and they're using the whole bean of the soy. So it's not like a processed version of soy. They actually use the whole bean. They don't strip the fat and the fiber away from it, which is an A+ when you're trying to get soy substitutes. Oh my gosh. Ooh. This is so good, guys. Oh my gosh. She told me it's a little sweet. I don't mind whatsoever. I'm sorry, Will, but I'm not sharing this with you.
No, yes, you are. I'm taking at least one bite, and you're going to put me on camera with it, too. Yep, here. Holy wow.
All right, guys, so we just finished up the food over at 24 Carats, and I have to say, the food was delicious. All right, so let's talk about the taste, value, and the service. So starting off with the taste, as you guys could see from my reaction, I thought the food was delicious. Like I said before, I used to love chicken sandwiches before I was vegan, and I was never able to find a good substitute after I went vegan. So the fact that they have this Nashville Hot Chik'N Sandwich here made me super happy. All right, second thing we're gonna talk about is the value. So the value of the food was great. It was $12 for the Nashville Hot Chik'N Sandwich, which is a great price considering how big it was. I'm sure you guys saw that sandwich, it was stacked. And the reason why I wanted to try the Nashville Hot Chik'N Sandwich is because you guys know there's that whole craze going on right now with the Popeyes chicken sandwich and the Chick-fil-A and whatnot. And I wanted to show that there is vegan options of these spicy chicken sandwiches that are delicious. So as you guys saw from my reaction, it speaks for itself. The chicken sandwich was delicious. I definitely recommend everyone to try it, vegan or non-vegan. You guys gotta try these foods. I know people think that we just eat grass or we just eat oats or we just eat salads and whatnot, but no. As you guys can see, we also eat fried vegan breaded chicken sandwiches as well. So you can get all the stuff that you want on a vegan diet. You can get the same taste, same texture, same crispiness that you would get in a regular chicken sandwich, and it can be all vegan, cruelty-free. And the gluten-free pumpkin spice cookie was $4.50, which is great because most of these vegan restaurants that I go to, it's usually $5 plus for a dessert. And the size of that dessert was spot on. It was huge. I couldn't even finish the whole thing. I had Will help me out here. So value of the restaurant was great. So the third thing we're going to talk about is the service at 24 Carrot. The service was phenomenal. I want to give a huge thank you to Sasha, the owner, and Chandra, the manager. They were very hospitable, very welcoming when we came in here, and I will definitely be back here to try the food again. If you guys are ever in the area, definitely check out 24 Carrots. You can't go wrong with anything on the menu. I promise that. I've already been here before, even before this video, so I've already had the food and it was delicious, and that's why I came back. It's in the Tempe area, so it's not too far from Central Phoenix if that's the area you're in. As for Chandra, she'll definitely point you in the right direction if you guys have any questions about the menu, but like I said, you can't go wrong with anything on the menu or anything from the desserts. They also have juices, smoothies, they got it all here. All right guys, so as I'm editing this video, I realized I did not do a proper outro. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Deuce.